Right, okay, hello, yes, we are not in regular attire, okay, this is Colour Explosion Week during the 6 weeks holidays. So, I have Chris here, and I have Sam, hello, there we are, look at that. Okay, we are doing 3-step sparring, we're going to do it in stages, so numbers 1, 2 and 3. So the first thing to do is to get that measure up. So Sam, if you measure up, foot is halfway across, make sure. Okay, she's going to do a front punch. Chris is going to move her right leg back and do the hand on the back. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Off we go. 1 and 2 and 3. Good. And reverse punch. Awesome. Good. Too big. Then we go back the other way. So Chris does the measure. She moves back. Okay. And then Sally's going to move her right leg back and do hand on the back with the left hand. Off you go. 1 and 2 and 3, and the counter is reverse punch. Good, Julie. Lovely. Okay, now the second one. This time, you're going to move your left leg back, do an outer forearm, outward block. Left leg back, outer forearm, outward block with the right hand. Okay, so here we go. Ready, and 1, and 2, and 3. The front foot goes into the sitting stand. We do a knife and strike. Lovely. Good. Back to the big. Okay, and then back the other way. And off we go. Out to forearm, out to block. 1 and 2 and 3. Front foot goes over. Knife and strike to the floating bit. Lovely. Back in. And then the last one, we're going to move that left leg back again. I'm going to do outer forearm with this hand inward block and then a back twist afterwards. Okay? So, off we go. 1 and 2 and 3, and then back twist strike, either to the temple or the jawline. Okay, temple or jawline is typically the best at this angle. Okay, to me, and then back the other way. So do the measure. Off we go. And 1 and 2 and 3 and back twist strike. Lovely. To me. Okay, keep tension back. Good, thank you very much. Just relax. So just remember, when we're doing that, the 1, 2 and 3, and palm and backing, the right leg goes back first, the second one, the left leg back, and the third one is the left leg back, the arm goes inwards, okay? Cheers, take care, we'll see you for the rest. Take one.